How do I know if I'm making a decision from my ego or it's coming from my intuition or my higher true self? And such a great question. And it's something that everyone should learn in their life in order to have the things they want in life. And quite often we listen to our ego and it's disguised as intuition. And so here's a really simple way to look at it so it could be very, very clear. When you make a decision from ego, you will feel an immediate relief after you make that decision. It'll feel as though most of the time it's when you say no to something and you feel such relief that you didn't step forward or say yes to something. And you're like so glad you made that decision. And it feels as though my intuition is telling me it's not the right time, or I'm too busy right now, or this is the wrong person, or this is not right for me. And there's a nice relief. And I guarantee you it's probably your ego speaking, because your ego does not want you to grow. Now, on the other hand, when your intuition and your true self is speaking with you, or you feel that kind of driving your decision, that emotional drive, it is very uncomfortable when you say yes to something, or say leave a relationship, or leave a job that you're not happy with, and you feel uncomfortable about it, or you say yes to something, a new training or a new program or a new coach or a new career, a new relationship. It often feels uncomfortable. And that's because when we are in growth mode, we are in discomfort mode. And we have been conditioned from early in life to move toward comfort and away from pain. And that kept us in that ego bubble of the same old patterns, the repetitive history. So when we think about it, our intuition shouldn't make us comfortable. It should actually drive us to discomfort, not to be painful to us. But what's really happening is your intuition itself, that true self, is not uncomfortable. You know what's uncomfortable? Your ego. And so your ego will say no, and you'll feel this like struggle between moving forward, making a new choice, and your ego will pull you back to staying the same. And so when you feel uncomfortable, it's not that it's the wrong decision. It just means that your ego and its conditioned self is very uncomfortable with you stepping forward. Now, I can tell you that every decision, major decision I made in my life that actually catapulted me to the next level, whether it was in a new relationship or changing careers or going to the next level or hiring a coach or a mentor, it always felt uncomfortable. My ego is telling me, what are you doing? Even friends would say, what are you doing? That's crazy. You know, are you rational here? And that is a sign that you're following your intuition and that you're really paying attention to the deeper desire of your true self that wants more life, that wants more of everything in life. And the only way we get more in life is when we step into our discomfort, when we step into our outside of our comfort zone. So I hope this helps you when you're making a decision, because it is so tricky. And I see so many people put off their dreams because of that discomfort. They think it's just some divine guidance that's telling them, ooh, it's not the right time, or you should wait, and maybe this is the wrong relationship. And we get caught up in this ego tricks that it plays on us when we should be listening to this part of us that wants us to move forward, wants change, wants growth, wants more life.